Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to set free shipping delivery to specific state or states in United States of America in Wix website. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Wix dashboard and we are going to set free order delivery to specific state. On left side you see settings, so click on it. So we are in general setting and then you see shipping delivery, so click on it. So we have shipping region. Now you see region 2 1 3. So we are going to add more region and we are going to set shipping delivery free for specific state for United States of America. So click on it, add region, and then you see region 4. Now select destination, so click on it. Now find a United States. Now you see, now select, and then you see 44 state. Now select. Now select state according to requirement. If you want, you can select multiple state. First deselect. So we select 2 state and then click on done. And then you see select how shipping is calculated. So we select free shipping and then you see shipping option name free shipping. If you want, you can add estimate delivery time. If you want, you can add local delivery and pickup and then click on save. So these two state as free shipping delivery. Now you see United States to free shipping. So you can select state according to requirement. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.